Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then so it's going to show for you like this inverse. Then you go down, just keep going down here, you click here on notification settings, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So you come here to I recoup my costs on events I can't attend. Can you disable it here for email when you click on it? And here for app, like you see, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,